This large brick home has newer interior paint and laminate flooring. Carpeting in the basement was just replaced in January 2022. Great space for a family or use as an in-home office. Previously used as a group home and residential rental. Drive-through garage, fully fenced yard, locking med room and second kitchenette downstairs along with a huge family room, 2 bedrooms, bath and large laundry area. Newer furnace and AC. Seller is a licensed broker in the state of Oregon,